Is that it? You guys done?
And now it's my turn. And there's poop and pee on the chips, and all the cupcakes and all the cookies. And now.
And there's a fly on my foot. There's a fly on my foot, look.
I got him away. And there's babies on giant things, and they do a different
Griffin, just let him have his turn,
No,
okay?
it's my turn.
What about Bryce's turn?
Then there's wagons on the wheels and on the fronts. And on the moms and the babies. And on the kids. and there's ships on the babies and and babies and you. And babies are you and you and you and you. You. Oh, good, I got my bird. Is that still on you? Is this still on you? No, it's still on me. But you have to put yours on your way. You have to. And there's poop on you, and you. There's three alligators and poop on the trees and poop on the food. And poop on the wagon. And poops on the babies and moms and blankets. And poo!
Hey, Bryce, should we teach Griffin the Chordisy song?
Yeah.
You guys want to sing a song?